Hello guys, my name is Diane and welcome back to another video of HTML course for the beginners. So today we are going to talk about HTML links, how you can create links in the HTML by using HTML code. So HTML links are actually the hyperlinks. It's the same way as you click on a text and on the next window or on the same window a new website get opened and when you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. So that's the representation of HTML link. So let's have a look on the syntax of the HTML link. So here we use a tag and then the href equal sign, and inside the inverted commas we write down the URL where we want to move the user when he will click on the link. So here the text will come for that specific link. So the most important attribute of the A element is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. So let's try it out. So here you can see that this is the link tag and it is the text which is shown here. Here you can see that when we hover the mouse on it, it show me hand icon. So that represents that it's a link. So when I will click on it, it will open w3school.com website. That's it. So that's the concept of HTML links. So by default, links will appear as in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue, a visited link is underlined and purple, an active link is underlined and red. So the target attribute. So the first attribute that we talked about was the href. So the next attribute is the target. The target attribute specifies where to open the linked document. So by default it is the self. Open the document in the same window tag as it was clicked, as we saw in the example. And the next one is the blank. It will open in the new window. And the parent attribute will open the document in the parent frame, and the top open the document in the full body of the window. So let's just try it out. It's about the blank to open the link into the next window. Absolute URLs with relative URLs. So both examples above were using an absolute URL, which where we are giving the exact URL path. So a local link, a link to a page within the same website is specified with the relative URL. Without the this part, let's go through the example. So here you can see that it's the complete path and it's the relative path inside the directory or the folder. So in absolute URLs, we specify the full complete path, while in the relative URLs, we only give the link if it resides in any other folder or we follow the path inside our directory. So that's the difference. So the next thing is HTML link, use an image as a link. So here you can see that we can also apply a link on an image like this. We are designing an image inside the link tag where it's the same as where we were placing the text. Here we are going to add the image. So the same way is linked to an email address. We use the mail tool and the email. So when the user will click on it, it will open or it will redirect to the mail. So it's also a button as a link. It's the tag of a button and on click document application default. Let's try it out.